In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage a crypto portfolio in Notion. We're building a simple, reliable workspace where you log every trade yourself, perfect for long-term holders who don't need second-by-second updates, but still want clarity, organization, and a clear snapshot of performance. Start with a basic Notion template and keep everything in one place. The heart of this setup is your assets database. Create a table that lists each coin you own, like BTC, ETH, or SOL. For each asset, track the total quantity you hold and its current value. The current value is the amount your position is worth today, so update it using the latest price from your preferred price source whenever you review your portfolio. Keeping this database tidy makes it your single source of truth. Next, create a transactions database to log every buy, sell, or swap. For each entry, record the date, the action type, the quantity, the price you paid or received, and any fees. Then link each transaction to the correct asset using a relation property that points back to the asset's database. This link lets Notion connect your trades to your holdings, and it enables automatic calculations like your average cost basis by rolling up those linked entries. The more precisely you log dates, prices, and fees, the more accurate your cost basis becomes. With those pieces in place, add a formula to see performance at a glance. Subtract your total spent from the current value to display profit or loss in real time. This gives you a clear view of how each asset is doing right now, and it helps distinguish healthy winners from positions that may need attention. Remember, this reflects unrealized P/fail for your open holdings based on the latest value you enter. To understand risk, build an allocation analyzer inside the assets database. Add a category property for each asset, think layer 1. DeFi or memcoins, then group the view by category. This makes it easy to see where your exposure is concentrated so you can quickly spot if one sector is taking up too much of your portfolio. Finally, create dedicated pages for strategy and research. Store your investment theses, notes from white papers, and a simple tracker for upcoming airdrops or token unlocks. Organizing your thinking alongside your data helps you act consistently with your plan, not your emotions. That's your streamlined Notion system. Assets for holdings, transactions for activity, formulas for P/fail, grouping for allocation, and pages for research. Keep it updated. Review it regularly, and let the structure guide smarter decisions. Thanks for watching.